This Coldwell Banker M&D Good Life property video is presented by Deborah Sinensky. Looking for the ideal family address? Look no further. Tremendous home with all the bells and whistles. This well-loved inviting home features open floor plans, 5 bedrooms, master has brand new ensuite bath. Cultured stone fireplace, wood floors, soaring ceilings. Finished basement. Picturesque backyard features in-ground heated pool, cabana, built-in fire pit, back covered porch. Outside lighting and patio area and basketball area. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Sinensky at 631-965-2706.